Welcome back to the channel. Shout out to my subscribers. Appreciate the likes, appreciate the love. For all those who are new to the channel, welcome. Please remember, hit that notification bell, like, subscribe, and share the videos. Shout out to Raja Lithium for the background music. Today, we're gonna do something new. We're gonna be making some baked chicken. This is how my folks teach me how to make chicken back in Jamaica. First, we have to make sure everything is clean. We're gonna clean up, cut up, wash with some lime, and get it prepared. A lot of folks, they just cut the chicken leg and the thigh separate. We got to make sure food is shared evenly. Work with what we got. So I cut the chicken thighs in half. So this is how I normally do it. Grater is always in my kitchen. We're going to be using some onion, garlic, and Scotch bonnet pepper. We have black pepper, salt, browning, paprika, garlic powder, mixed all together. Put it in a file pan. We're going to wrap it with file paper. The reason for this is because we're going to blast the oven at 400 degrees for an hour. And look at this right here. This is the result. I didn't check on it. I just put it in the oven. Boom. Lovely color. Not dried out. Still got juice in there. Hit it with some of that bad sauce. And I love okra, so I had that to mine. Thank you.